In part 6, I have taken some case study to give practical approach to MCLR study. Here I have taken some banks data on MCLR from their website and try to find out how the borrowers are benefited from MCLR system. So this is the most interesting part of MCLR system. MCLR is basically a tenor-based benchmark instead of a single rate. This allows banks to more efficiently price loans at a different tenors based on different MCLRs according to their funding composition and strategies. Under MCLR, it is mandatory for all the banks to declare their rates every month on their website. Here you can see I have given the example of MCLR rate for the month of February 2022. So RBI directs bank to set at least 5 MCLR rates every month. That is overnight, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Beside these, banks are also free to set rates for longer duration. So this monthly publication of MCLR rates on the website helps the borrower to know the MCLR rate of the banks and take a borrowing decisions. So to explain MCLR by giving you an example from the Bank of India, let us find out the marginal cost of fund lending rate and what are the effects on the lending rate on the customer since 2016. So here I have taken the tenure-wise MCLR rate of Bank of India for the month of February 2022, which is the latest rate. And these rates are easily available on the bank's website. You can easily find out. So now I am comparing the latest rate with the MCLR rate of 2016 when it was introduced. Now, as we all know that it is a tenure based benchmark instead of single rates. So RBI has directed for 5 MCLR rates overnight, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. So let us find out what is the effect of the MCLR rate on the borrower. So here you can easily find out that MCLR rate compared to 2016 has been reduced gradually from 2016 to 2022. In 2016, overnight rate was 9.15% and now in February 22 it is 6.60%. For a 1 month tenure wise MCLR rate was 9.20 in 2016. It has been reduced to 7.05%. For 3 months, it was 9.25 in 2016 and now it is 7.1%. For 6 months, it was 9.3% in 2016 and now it has been reduced to 7.2%. For 1 year, it was 9.40 in 2016 and now it is 7.25%. For 3-year MCLR rate, which has started from the year 2020. In 2020, it was 8.70% and now it has been reduced to 7.70%. So from this, you can easily find out that there has been a reduction or the cut in the rates with the implementation of MCLR. So basically it is focusing on the short-term rates and the floating rates, the loan which has taken by the borrower linked to floating rate, not on a fixed rate. So here you can see if the RBI is cutting the rate, trying to increase the liquidity, that somehow is being reflected in the reduction in the marginal cost of lending rates. And this we can easily see that the rates has been gradually reduced from 2016 to 2022. So this is actually the benefit what the borrowers are getting in terms of MCLR. So this is actually the advantage of MCLR over the earlier lending rates. And this rate has to be published monthly by the banks. Why? Because this monthly publication of a rate by all the banks will give exact information to the borrower regarding the effect of rate cut on the lending rates of bank. What is the marginal effect, the additional effect of rate cut on the lending rates of bank, and they can take the advantage of that rate cut. On the other hand, RBI also looks very minutely what banks are doing with the lending rates when RBI is taking a policy decision at the repo rate level. So making this rate in public by publishing this rate on a website every month is the responsibility of the bank under MCLR system. If you have any question on this presentation, please put your question in the comment section and like and subscribe my channel to get further notification. Thank you so much.